Well, last summer, OPPD backtracked on a plan to end the use of coal at the North Omaha Power Plant, which has impacted health for more than 70 years. A group wants to make sure their concerns are heard and met with OPPD this week. Aaron Hegarty has that story.
The North Omaha Power Plant has been burning coal for more than 70 years. OPPD has said that would end by the end of 2023, but last summer pushed it back 3 years. It's had an impact on the community's health.
The reason why it is very much so important because we know that the health disparities that we have in our community, especially with children with asthma and families.
This is the only place where coal plants were built where people lived. And many people think that was an environmentally racist thing to do.
A group had a conversation this week with OPPD leadership wanting to ensure their concerns are heard, and the plant does indeed transition out of coal by the end of 2026, and identify other ways the problem can be taken seriously. OPPD told us in a statement they're grateful for the insightful conversations and that they've learned much more about neighbors' concerns and desires. The plant partially converted to gas in 2016, but 2 of 5 units remain using coal. So what specifically does the group want to see? For starters, details on how OPPD might be able to use federal funds to aid the transition and other efforts to tackle the problem.
Is that there's never been more federal dollars for addressing some of the problems we're talking about than there is now.
And more on why a conversion from coal won't happen this year. OPPD said industry challenges compounded by more demand push the change date back. The group calls it a productive start, but
they have to build mutual respect, mutual trust with the community, and then collaborate with the community and communicate. Otherwise, it's going to be problematic for us and problematic for them.
Aaron Hegarty, 3 News Now.
OPPD will host a community conversation. It's on February 21st at 5:30 at Florence City Hall.